Hi, in this video I will show how to create an Excel file from multiple JSON files, and with app I have created. This is my website. I will leave link on this site into description. To find the app, we will type json2 and click on a page. This is page we're looking for. Then double click on download button to start downloading process and wait until file will be downloaded. So basically XLS is Excel file. So what will happen, our app will combine JSON files, flatten it into table and put it into Excel file as tabs. Let me demonstrate how it works. So I'll click on downloaded archive, double click on the site to start installation, click on more info. I'm getting this screen because I'm not registered publisher. It's a screen from Windows. You can see publisher unknown. I'll just click run anyway to start installation. Click on next install, click on yes and click on finish here. And you can see app has been installed on my computer. I have a shortcut on my desktop. Now I can close this and minimize this and double click to open app. Basically conversion is like 3 steps process, and first step I have to select my input file I want to put into Excel. So let's select a couple input files I have somewhere here. Temp. Yeah. So I have a couple JSON files. I can open it with Notepad and show it to you. So basically it's a big JSON structure, contains some different data for a game. And I want to put it into Excel, and it will be some kind of documentation out of it. So I want item, I can click open, I can add another files. If I hold shift and click, control. If I hold control and click on files, I can select multiple files. So levels, monsters, it's okay, open. So I have 1, 2, 3 files here, and that's all files I want to convert into Excel. So I'll just click on next step. There are no options here yet. If you think of any options for this app, let me know. I'll add it here and to tweak conversion in some way. And there are no options here. I will just click on next step, and to run conversion click run. And then I have to specify files. Let's put it in my documents. And name of the file is okay, json2 XLS. Just click save, and you can see file has been saved. Now let's go and see file. So I don't have Excel on this machine, but I have Excel viewer. It's from Microsoft. It's showing how Excel files look, and you can see all JSON's data has been converted into Excel and placed into Excel tabs, different like items JSON, right? We had item JSON here. Items, levels, monsters. So items, level, monsters, yeah, they're all here. And yeah, basically that's it. So it can capable to convert like any XML structure. Just table will be bigger, and but all data should be in form of a table with all data from JSON specified into it. So yeah, basically that's it. If you have any questions, please leave them in comments. Thank you.